Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We are at the Angus Lakefront Adventures cabin. Now, this is a little tricky thing here. You see that handle? Well, it had me fooled too. So this actually acts as the lock and unlocking. So you got to pull it towards you. And then if you want to lock it, you got to push it in. Now it's locked. Pull it out, unlocked, push it in, locked. So it took me a minute to figure that out. So if you have any questions while you are staying here by the lake, Lake Cascade, you can reach out to us at DoneRight Management. Yes, that's right, you can give us a ring any old time. So if you have any questions, the number at the office in McCall, it's 208-634-0030. And if you're having a great time, we love to get your 5-star recommendation and reviews. So cheers.